Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Minecraft karate lesson today. Now, before we start today's video, I want to let you guys know that once we hit 20,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a very special giveaway. It's going to be the very first official Dojo Go homeschool t-shirt, as well as a kicking bag for you to practice at home. So, if you haven't yet already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so that way, when we hit 20,000 subscribers, you guys will know who won the contest. Okay? So, I'm face here. Try to Can you? Awesome. All right, let's get started with the warm-up. We're gonna do jumping jacks. You guys repeat nice and loud after me, counting to 5 in Korean. Everyone say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now let's start swinging one arm like this, rotating it. Everyone say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good. Let's do the other arm now. Ready? Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, we're gonna stretch out our legs a little bit. Now, we're gonna put our hands on our knees. We're gonna bend down once and then come right back up. So repeat after me. Everyone say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now shake your hands, shake your legs a little bit. Everyone say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job, you guys. All right, I'm gonna tell you. Good, awesome. All right, be super still, don't move, don't wiggle. Awesome. All right, when I say fighting stance, we're gonna take 1 foot back, both hands on the face. Everyone hands up, fighting stance. Awesome, good. All right, when I say switch, we're gonna switch our feet. Everyone together, switch. Good, good, switch. Good, switch. Good, switch. Good, switch. Awesome job, you guys. All right, we're gonna practice today. We're gonna practice a jab, and say it with me. Everyone say jab, cross, uppercut, cross, hook. Okay, so it's a long one today, okay? So listen very carefully. Left hand go first. Jab, right hand cross, left hand uppercut, right hand cross, left hand hook. Good. Keeping the hands in the face, okay? And then go jab, cross, uppercut, cross, hook. Nice. Good job, you guys. One more time. Go jab, cross, uppercut, cross, hook. Nice. Good job, you guys. All right, now here's what we're gonna do. Okay, so you see here, we got this Minecraft block. Okay, now what we're going to do today is we're gonna try to break the block open. Can you guys help me break the block? Awesome, now on this block, there's a counter that says 50. That means we gotta do 50 punches in order to break this block. So I need all of you guys at home to do the punches with me so we can break this thing. Make sense? Yes, yes, sir? Nah, I don't believe you. Yes, sir? Awesome, all right, ready? We're gonna do 50 punches, hands up like this. We'll do 10 at a time. Let's do it on my count. Everyone say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it, yas it, 이거, 이들, aho, yeah. Awesome, all right, let's do that again, a little bit faster now, ready? Everyone say, Hana, do it, set, net, toss it, yas it, 이거, 이들, aho, yeah. Nice, good, that's 20. All right, now, here's what we're gonna do. For the last 30 punches, okay? I want you guys to go as fast as you can. Try to get to 30. Try to beat me. You guys try to beat me? Awesome. All right, try it. Ready, set, go. 30 punches, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Nice. Very good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome. All right, now we got another challenge today. So here's what we're going to do. We're gonna be building up a wall, a Minecraft wall. Now, here's the thing. We gotta make sure we build it quick enough so the creepers don't get in here before sunset. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. There's gonna be some blocks right over here. I want you guys to do a horse stance with me. Awesome, all right, Dojo, where are you, buddy? All right, there's Dojo. Okay, so here's what we gotta do. We're gonna hold a horse stance. Dojo's gonna pick up a block and place one right here. Eventually, he's gonna stack it up really nice and tall, so that way when the sun goes down and creepers come through, they're not gonna get through. We're gonna keep the wall, that way nothing happens. Does that make sense? Awesome, you guys. All right, ready? I'm gonna hold a horse stance. Good, all right, Dojo, go and get those legs over there. Good, 1. Okay, we're gonna do all the way up to 10, okay? Good, 2. Good, nice job, you guys, keeping those knees bent. Ready, and 3. Good job, don't get up, don't lay your legs straight. Ready, 4. Good job, Dojo. And 5, good job. Good. 6, good. 7, oh, it's getting dark. I think the creepers are coming closer. Hurry, Dojo, hurry. 7, good. 8, good. 9, good. One more. and 10. Awesome. All right, looks like they can't get through. Very good job, you guys. Everyone give me high fives? Awesome, awesome, awesome job. All right, face here, Chadiyat. Kinyan. Awesome. And then once again, just a reminder, on 20,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a Dojo Go Homeschool t-shirt, as well as a brand new kicking bag for you to practice with. Now, if you want a t-shirt anyway, with your parents' permission, we have just updated our website. So on our website, if you go to dojogohomeschool.com, you'll see all the different courses that we have, and you'll also see a section that says apparel. Now, with your parents' permission, you can go on there, ask your parents first. If you want to get a t-shirt from there, we are making t-shirts over there too, okay? So once again, dojogohomeschool.com. Link will be in the description, okay? And face here, Chadiyat, Kinyan. Awesome job, you guys. See you all later.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.